Restorations can take different forms, and I suppose like club racing, there's different degrees that people might want to restore their car. So the term restoration is really about restoring it in its entirety, but that doesn't happen too often. We're finding a lot of people love the idea of a fully restored car, but they also want something they feel comfortable driving in. And I know that sounds slightly odd, but once you restore a car and you spend all this time, money and energy doing it all, we've found that a lot of people sort of suddenly don't want to drive it because it's too nice. And that suddenly takes away from that raw experience and that blasting through the hills and, you know, the stone chips that can happen, the wear and tear. So sometimes people are after a car that is mechanically sound, that looks beautiful, but isn't perfect. You know, they're not so worried about it being showroom condition or sort of concourse condition, but they want it restored to a level that you might find a 50,000k car, you know, second-hand 991 or something, you know, like a later model car, something that's 100% functional, strong, and certainly is in much nicer condition that they might be now they're 40 years old or so. But yeah, so the restorations differ.